Hello everyone, in this video I will explain procedure to register, download and install a 3D modeling software Autodesk Fusion 360. So it having 1 year free education license. So let's start the procedure. So in Google you can search Autodesk and open the Autodesk website. So here click on the products, then select the product Fusion 360, then click on download free trial. So here you have to select student or teacher, then click on sign in. So if you don't have account, you have to click on create account and enter here your detail, first name, last name, email address, and create your account. Now I have already created an account, so I will click on sign in. So enter your email address and password and continue. Continue. So here you can click on SMS so that you will get a code on your mobile phone. So select here in country code and enter your mobile number and continue. So you will get a code through SMS, so enter that code and continue. So click on get started, then click on sign in. So enter your email address and password. So again you will get a code through SMS, so enter that code and continue. So select your country, educational role and institute type. So here you have to enter the name of your institute. So if you start typing name of your institute, then the options will be available to us, so we can select our institute name. So click on next. Continue. So select the product Fusion 360, verify the details and confirm. Here we have to upload the college ID card on which student or faculty name and institute name is printed. So here supported file type is JPG, PDF, PNG or GIF. So I will upload here college iCard and click on submit. So after submitting the form, from Autodesk side that will be verified. So it may take up to 48 hours to complete. So you will get an email after verification. I have got an email after 10 minutes. So if you open that mail, you can click on get product. So it will direct towards the Autodesk website for downloading. So click on get started. So again you have to select country, educational role and institute type. enter your email address, enter your password and continue. So you can select the product. Now there are two types of Fusion 360 product. First one is for desktop and laptops, and second is for online access through the browser. So first we will download for desktop and laptops. So click on access. So download procedure will start. So after downloading that file, you can click on that for installing purpose. So depends upon speed of your PC, it will take some time. Now here there is problem for time, server time and PC time is different. So I will open the date and time setting and I will update the time. So again you have to sign in here, enter your email address, enter password, so you will get OTP through SMS, so enter that OTP and verify. So in this way our education license will be activated. So here we can create a team. So I have created a team with the name VP 2021. So our student can join this team. So click on create. So VP 2021 is ready to use. Now see, on desktop icon is created, Autodesk Fusion 360. So if you double click on that, Autodesk Fusion 360 will open. So you can see here this Autodesk Fusion 360 is ready for use and it is having 1 year education license. Now we will see the procedure for using the Fusion 360 through browser. So again go to this website and select the second product, that is browser access to Fusion 360. Click on access, launch Fusion 360. Click on this. Accept and launch Fusion 360. So it will take some time for completing the procedure. So here also again you have to use the registered email ID and password for login. Again you will get 6-digit code through SMS, so enter that code and continue. So here you can see now we are able to access the Fusion 360 through browser also. So you just open the fusion.online.autodesk.com and you can use your registered email ID for login and you can directly use Fusion 360 through browser. Now this is ready for use. So thank you for watching.